If you are on Opera browser and you are wondering how can you go back to this home page, then in this video I'm going to show you how you can get back here after performing a search. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now suppose you had just performed any search. For instance, let me just search here Google, and you want to go back home on the previous interface. There are two methods you can use to go back to your home page. In the first method, just tap on the home icon that is here. So if you tap on this, you will be taken back to this home page. Alternatively, if you are on any search page such as this and you want to go to home page, instead of tapping on this home, you can just tap on this tab button here. So if you tap on it, you can go to home page from any of this by just tapping on this plus that is down here. So if you tap on this will directly take you to Opera homepage. So that's how you can go back to your homepage on Opera browser. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.